How to reset Apple ID password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, go to Sign-in and Security. Then, go to the Security section and tap on Change Password. As you can see, you require Face ID or your passcode to go to the next step. Once you're here, you will be able to choose and create a new password. Make sure to follow the instructions for the password below. After that, tap on Continue at the bottom to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily reset Apple ID password on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.